Hi, I'm Abby, and I'm going to be talking about education in Finland, the United States, and Haiti. I have experienced firsthand the education system in the United States as I grew up here, and I'm going to be a teacher one day, so I will be continually learning about the education system here. I went to Haiti for a mission trip with my church, and my grandmother and I were able to go into classrooms of different grade levels to see exactly what happens in the classroom and do different activities with them. And I have not been to Finland, so I have not seen their education system firsthand. But in Finland, their education system is very well funded by the government and different organizations. So education is free at all levels and all ages, grades. And this helps students who live far away from school. They provide transportation to them or help pay for transportation and textbooks and other school materials they might need. The Finnish are able to accommodate all different types of learners, so they use differentiation, which is also used in the United States. But differentiation is when the educators are able to use different teaching strategies, manipulatives, learning environments, pretty much just make it so the information is able to be taught in a lot of different ways, so each student, no matter how they learn best, are able to learn the information. Finland has amazing performance on standardized tests. They are, according to a lot of charts and statistics, they are in the top, number one for a lot of charts on performance, and this is partially because they do not teach to the test, which is a big term in education, because teaching to the test is not what teachers should be doing. So not teaching to the test allows students to really apply the knowledge that they've learned. In the United States, the education system is funded by the government, not as much as in Finland, but state helps out a lot. Each of the three branches helps out, but state helps out the most. We accommodate different types of learners, which I said before. We differentiate learning to special education students as well, just like in Finland. We receive decent results on standardized tests, but there's a lot of teaching to the test in the United States, and this is not the best because this creates more test anxiety. Students are only learning what they need to learn for the test, and it's not helping them remember it for the long term. And students need to learn things for the long term and not just for the test, and standardized tests in the United States are seen as a way to criticize school districts and schools and students themselves because of how much emphasis is put on these tests. Haiti is the poorest country in the Western Hemisphere, so their education system is very poorly funded, and ever since the earthquake hit, so many schools have been destroyed that many children are not able to be students in school. And they are unable to accommodate all different types of learners. I read one article about how special education people in Haiti are not seen as actual people and not given the same opportunities as other people would be given. And they administer very few standardized tests. The few that they do give are to go into higher education. So a lot of people do not take these tests because they can't afford to go to school in the first place. So to improve the U.S. education system, we can provide better funding for education and encourage more people to become teachers, because teachers are what we need in the education system, enthusiastic teachers, and we need to increase teacher salaries and work on individualizing student learning, stop teaching to the test, and focus on important information that students will be able to use in their future instead of just learning what they need to learn for the test. In Haiti, we can provide better funding for them. The Haitian government can provide better funding, and other countries can help them. They can create partnerships with different countries and organizations and encourage people to become teachers again. That's really important. So in conclusion, the Finnish education system is one that a lot of countries look up to, and the U.S. and Haiti can do a lot to become more like the Finnish education system, because it is one that is very high performing. Thank you.